Today, I'll show you how to add Google Drive to files on iPhone. If you want to open your Google Drive files inside the iPhone Files app, the good news is that Apple supports third-party cloud services there, including Google Drive. Apple says you can add third-party cloud apps like Google Drive to the Files app, and once they're enabled, they appear under Locations so you can browse them alongside iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. The first step is to make sure the Google Drive app is installed on your iPhone and already set up with your Google account. Apple's support instructions say you need to download and set up the third-party cloud app first before it can be added inside Files. So if you haven't done that yet, install Google Drive, open it, and sign in to the Google account you want to use. After that, open the Files app on your iPhone and tap Browse at the bottom, then tap the More button in the top corner and choose Edit. Apple says this is the screen where you can turn third-party storage providers on or off inside the Files app. When you see Google Drive in the list, switch it on, then tap Done. Once that's done, Google Drive should appear in the Locations section of the Files app. Apple says third-party services you add will show up there just like other storage locations, so you can tap Google Drive and browse your folders and files directly from the Files app. That means you can manage documents from one place without opening the Drive app every single time. Now, if you don't see Google Drive in Files, Apple says the first thing to check is whether the Drive app is installed and supported properly by the provider. In practical terms, that usually means making sure Google Drive is updated, you're signed in, and the toggle is turned on in the Files app edit screen. If the service still doesn't appear, Apple recommends checking with the cloud provider. One more useful thing to know is that once Google Drive is added to Files, you can move files from one location to another using the Files app. Apple says you can touch and hold a file, tap Move, and choose a destination folder. That can be helpful if you want to move something between Google Drive, iCloud Drive, or local storage on your iPhone. And that's how to add Google Drive to files on iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.